Rain and Even are both known for earned wage access, but whether you can use either app depends on whether your employer offers that specific service. By the end, you'll know how Rain and Even compare, what happened with their availability, and how to check which earned wage option actually works for you. Rain provides earned wage access through employer partnerships, allowing eligible employees to access part of their earned pay before the normal payday. Even also provides financial tools through participating employers, including access to earned wages. The biggest factor is not downloading the app first. It is whether your employer is connected to the platform. If your company offers Rain, you usually start by enrolling through your workplace setup process. If your company offers Even, you normally access it through your employer's benefits system, or the Even app. Earned wage apps work differently from traditional payday loans because they are connected to wages you have already earned. The exact features, availability, and access rules depend on the employer agreement. For workers comparing Rain and Even, the first step is checking your employee benefits page, or asking your payroll department which provider is supported. Rain may be the better option if your employer already uses Rain and you need access through that workplace connection. Even may be the better option if your employer provides Even and you want the financial tools included with that service. Neither app will work for every employee because earned wage access is controlled by employer partnerships. A person at one company may have access while someone at another company may not see either option. When choosing between them, compare the details that affect your daily use. Check how you enroll, how your wages are verified, what features are included, and any rules attached to accessing your pay early. The answer to which app is still around depends on the specific market and employer availability. Both names are associated with earned wage access, but the service you can actually use comes down to your workplace. The key points are that Rain and Even both provide earned wage access options. Employer availability decides whether you can use them, and checking your workplace benefits is the fastest way to find the right option. Your next step is to open your employee benefits portal or contact payroll and confirm which earned wage app your employer supports. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more practical app comparisons.